Want to access your Starpoint Gemini 2 saved game progress in a SGCPO file? This is your save file from the Space Simulation RPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to load backup and manage these Starpoint Gemini 2 saved game files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical SGCPO data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A SGCPO file stores a player's saved game progress in the space simulation game, Starpoint Gemini 2. Users encounter this file when they want to backup, transfer, or modify their saved games. It contains crucial data like player stats, ship configurations, quest progress, and the current state of the game world. This file is a proprietary binary container designed for rapid loading and saving by the game engine. It likely uses a structured format with specific data blocks for player information, ship data, and world state. This binary approach prevents easy user modification and ensures data integrity during gameplay sessions. The essential opener for the SGCPO structure is Starpoint Gemini 2 developed by Little Green Men Games. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. Your essential first move, right-click the SGCPO file and choose Open With. If Starpoint Gemini 2 is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your SGCPO file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your SGCPO file. First, loading in Starpoint Gemini 2. Launch Starpoint Gemini 2 and from the main menu select Load Game. The game scans the saves directory and displays available SGCPO save files. Select your desired save to resume gameplay from that point, loading all character progress, ship status, and galaxy state. Next, locating save files. Find SGCPO save files in the Starpoint Gemini 2 user data directory. Typically under Documents, Little Green Men Games Starpoint Gemini 2 saves. Copy these files for backup before risky gameplay decisions or game updates. Restore by placing backup files back into the saves folder. Finally, sharing save games. Transfer SGCPO files between computers to continue gameplay across systems, or share interesting playthroughs. Copy the save files to the saves folder on the destination system, ensuring compatible game version. Steam Cloud may automatically sync saves between Steam-installed instances of the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.